What is going on YouTube? Hannah back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are continuing our Shiba Inu series here on the channel. As you guys know, we left off yesterday actually making a video saying that Shiba Inu holders must see this, that the mega dump is over and there's nowhere to go but up. Hopefully you guys took advantage of this. I literally made the call yesterday. Hopefully you did. I mean, if you didn't, so be it. I mean, there still might be an opportunity left. We'll have to see if there is one. But we did capitalize off the major dumpage that did happen within the market. Took a major run to the upside here, and we saw, right off the bottom here, an explosion right back to the upside here, retesting top resistance. This is just extremely exciting to me. Major run to the upside here. As of right now, the time making this video, Shiba is up almost 20%, which is freaking incredible. Huge opportunities there. I mean, we're just making a killing and a ton of money trading Shiba Inu here on the channel. Whether or not this is a meme coin, whether or not it's a shit coin, whether or not it's going to dump and people are moving their money into other cryptocurrencies, regardless of this factor, we've been using Bityard to leverage trade the hell out of this cryptocurrency here, and we have been making a ton of money, as you guys can see, literally over to Innovative and then down to Shiba, leveraging the crap out of this coin, making a ton of money. So hopefully you guys took advantage of that. Otherwise, guys, today's video is brought to you by EXILON. You can basically load a new reality. EXILON combines DeFi market and online games using a new format of smart contract, transparent contracts that has been presented for the first time on the DeFi market. You can actually buy EXL tokens. The pre-sale is happening in 10 days, so check this out right here. I have linked them down below. As you guys can see, problems and solutions. They solve high ETH fees and slow transactions, difficulties in blockchain switching, fraudulent admins and scammers, centralization, security, and poor involvement. We're going in depth about this at the end of today's video, so please stay tuned at the end to check it out. Otherwise, I have linked them, like I said, down in the description below if you want to skip all this and just check them out. Otherwise, guys, don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, turn on post notifications, and let's dive into the Shiba Inu video. So guys, briefly, I just want to show you guys what we did decide yesterday. I'm just going to turn off my sound here until I get the system audio working here on the laptop here. But you can see we did say that we retested some sort of bottom support that I was showing you guys. And we did hit bottom where we did switch from a short position over to a long position. We then started to see an ascending fractal forming here, or an ascending triangle. And if we were to breach through, once again, this top resistance, even though we were still in this long, but if we confirm that would open up another buying opportunity for people that missed out on the chance to buy in at bottom support here, as you can see that I'm drawing in, which was giving us another opportunity to buy in and leverage this to the upside. So we discussed there was still some sort of ascending triangle, which I'm drawing out right now. So even though we bought in right here at this bottom support, given that we were forming an ascending triangle, if we broke through top resistance, the price ceiling, it would open up another opportunity for anyone that missed out on the chance to buy in early to now buy in here to leverage this back up to its moving average, which you can see would be right at pretty much the point that we broke bearish. So you can see right at those moving averages on the hourly. So as you guys know, this is pretty much what we're referencing. You can see I've drawn it up. I've literally explained that we'd head up to that resistance level. And moving over to the price here, you can see that is exactly what we did. And just switching to the hourly here, you can see what it is that I'm referring to. We said, as I showed you, that if we broke this ascending fractal here, we would have a clear moonshot right up to our moving averages, which would still be in a long position. So what we did is breaking bearish outside this massive pennant flag. We shorted it all the way down to bottom support here, which retested right at this support level. And as you guys can see, then we took profits and switched to a long position, which we entered right here and have been leveraging this to the upside, forming another ascending triangle, put a stop loss just a little bit lower here on Bityard. And then once we confirm break, if you guys hadn't already bought in from the bottom, you had the opportunity to buy in here, and we leveraged it even freaking higher up. Now we're out of it. Now we took profits. We're just trying to see what exactly is forming right now before we buy back into it again. There was even a smaller kind of falling wedge pattern that's opening up here, but we took advantage of this run. You can see we used Bityard once again. I did link Bityard in the description down below if you do want to take advantage of them. They're the easiest way to buy Shiba Inu here. I've made videos on it in the past. They're the easiest way to earn free cryptocurrency with the mystery boxes by signing up down below. They offer Shiba Inu. It is super freaking easy to buy. I do it in New York. You could do it in US. You could do it wherever. Best platform that I know for crypto trading. And since then, we've been taking advantage of them. So right now, we saw the big run to the upside here. Huge gains. I mean, literally huge gains. You can see by drawing out the price range from the price that we bought in at, we've literally made a 50% run. 50% gains, leverage trading that. Just think about the amount of profit we freaking made from the major run to the upside here. Now we're retesting resistances. We did discuss that this would be at moving average. This would be a problem zone, but you can see we might be flipping bullish on the hourly charts very soon, which is also very exciting. But you can see where we then started to form a falling wedge pattern here. This is so freaking short term. It really doesn't help us. Like, it's so short term. It's so small. Like, it might not be as accurate as we want, but we're currently retesting our moving averages. So we'll see how exactly we want to pan out here, but we are starting to break bullish. If this does decide to rally up, we might see, you know, just a run probably. I mean, it's not big. It really isn't that big. Maybe back up to, I don't know, really not that high, but up to this region right here, pretty much where our resistance level is. And what we can do now is get rid of this pennant flag. And I mean, we went even higher, which is also pretty incredible. We went up to this top resistance here, which is, it's just insane to look at here. The runs are still happening. We're still kind of consolidating right now after retesting resistance here. I just want to let it pan out. I already took profits. I'm already out of this trade, but I'd like to see how we react with the moving average before we do really anything. Otherwise, guys, that's the update for today. So, you know, just congrats for those that took advantage of this major bull run that we called here on Shiba Inu. Otherwise, I do want to update you guys with EXILON. I want to give a huge shout out to EXILON for sponsoring today's episode. As with all cryptocurrency projects, please do your own research and never invest anything you can't afford to lose. So guys, EXILON combines DeFi markets and online games using a new format of smart contracts, transparent contracts to be exact, and that is presented for the first time on the DeFi market. Now, the EXILON team is trying to tackle a few problems within the crypto space, such as high ether fees, slow transactions, difficulties in blockchain switching, fraud, scammers, centralization, and many more. And their solution consists of using the Binance Smart Chain, which is meant for fast transactions and reduced fees, as well as access to dApps, which are gaining popularity and are in demand among users. They also plan on creating a cross-chain platform and bridge so that the majority can participate in the EXILON ecosystem, and a few more, which you can see here on the screen. Also, guys, keep in mind their mission is simple: erasing the border, which means the EXL token has no limits. And EXILON will create an accessible digital space for all age categories and spheres of life, wherein any market participant uses a single token as a fully fledged payment instrument. Now, guys, EXILON, or EXL, is a DeFi token, and DeFi is an alternative to traditional financial institutions controlled by legal entities, and it provides full autonomy and takes the industry to a brand new level. Now, guys, protocols allow to trade cryptocurrency on decentralized exchanges such as Uniswap, lend compound, manage monetary policy and issue stable coins, rebalance assets, create derivatives, insure risks, and generally do everything that traditional financial institutions do, but without third parties. Now, guys, their token sale for their EXL token will be on November 17th, which is only a few days away. And their tokenomics are as follows. Their token will have an initial supply of 5 trillion EXL tokens, and commissions consist of about 18% at the first half hour, 15% at the second half hour, 12% for the rest of the time, and fees will be allocated as such. 8% for liquidity. The rest of the percentage goes to add liquidity to the pair, 2% going to the EXILON project development, and 1% of the commission is burned until 60% of the tokens are burned, which is quite a lot. Now, once the burning ends, the percentage will be allocated to liquidity and 1% is distributed between users. The very beginning purchase volume will be limited, and limits regarding the block number after the start of the sales. Now, guys, EXL team tokens are locked up for 12 months from the listing date, and then the unlock of the team tokens will be 10% a month. And one of the advantages of the EXL token is the low transaction cost due to proper gas optimization. And the roadmap consists of 4 parts, which includes the launch of their white paper, listings on exchanges, a payment system, and much more. So guys, if you're interested in their project and want to learn more about where they're going to take DeFi and the gaming community, then definitely make sure to check the links in the description down below and by joining their Telegram. Otherwise, huge shout out to EXILON for sponsoring today's episode. As always, make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's episode. Peace.